dudes. Check it out, dudes. I bought some Monster Fairings probably like over a month ago, and they finally got here yesterday and completely changed the look of this motorcycle. It's very green. I think it looks sick, but it is very flashy, which is a good thing and a bad thing. I think this thing looks sick. It still like kind of fits weird, kind of like the old Fairings did. They'll like pop out in some sections. You know, I've heard aftermarket Fairings, that's just how it is. They're never gonna fit like OEM Fairings. But the paint on these things are sick. You really see it in the sunlight, sparkly. The green is way brighter and lighter than I thought it was gonna be. On the pictures that I was sent, it definitely looked more of like an army green, not like a candy apple green. But it's cool. The white from the tank matches up like perfectly with that line. Looks pretty sick. It's cool. It came with a seat cowl, rear seat cowl too, which looks pretty good. I got some smudges on there though. I gotta check. This is my first ride after putting them on. Make sure nothing's melting. The old Fairings I had on here were aftermarket. They were black, and it didn't have any heat shielding anywhere. And this one came with heat shielding on the belly pan, which is cool. Hopefully nothing melts. Nothing was melted on the old one, so we should be okay. Anyways, we're over here at my wheelie spot. I'm gonna take some photos. I wanna try to lean it up against one of these little trees. I brought my DSLR, so we'll take some videos and some photos. Let's see if I can do that right here. If it'll stay. Like that. Yeah. Looks kind of sketchy, but the reason why I bought new Fairings, I posted about it on my Instagram, I think, and also on the YouTube like community page. What happened was I parked my motorcycle in my driveway. My driveway is like slightly angled, and the bike was in neutral, and it barely rolled forward and dropped, and it cracked the fairings on the left side. And the fairings were already not in very good condition. They're kind of tacky black fairings, so I wanted to get some new ones. You know, I like the green. Don't know if it's for me though. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's cool, but I don't know. It does look kind of sick. Yeah, kind of cool looking. Alright, I'm gonna move the bike out on the road here, see if we can get some more cool stuff. That looks pretty cool. Alright, those are cool shots, I think. I don't know, I'm not the best photographer or filmer or anything. I got some videos of the new fairings. Hopefully they look cool. I don't know. I need some tips from you dudes. Let me know. Let me know. I'll have it edited. I'll throw it in this video. You guys have already seen it probably. I'll put it in with my intro. But yeah, dudes. Let me make sure I'm filming. Yes, sir. So I bought these from Monster Fairings. Really cool company. I mean, it took a while to get here because they make them in China, but they let me know every step of the way, like when they were molding them, when they were painting them, when they were clear coating, expected time to be shipped, expected time for delivery. And then I posted it on my story yesterday, getting the package and putting them on my bike. And I tagged them and they reposted me and DM'd me and asked me to send any more pictures I got, and to let them know if I have any questions or concerns. So, I mean, legit company for sure. I've seen other moto vloggers, I mean, they use them, so I knew they were trustworthy. I don't know though, dudes, do you like this green? I think it's cool. It's flashy though. Definitely gonna get more attention by cops probably. But it's also cool. It's way more recognizable of a motorcycle, so more of you dudes can recognize me, which is pretty sick. I love that. As far as putting the fairings on, it went pretty well. Like I said, this bike already had aftermarket fairings on. This bike used to be white, and the old owner put black fairings on it. So it was pretty simple. I had to look up a video how to take the front cowling off. That was kind of a pain. It's literally held on by 2 bolts right here. Kind of crazy. Like the whole headlight assembly and everything. But yeah, overall, sometimes it's hard to fit it together, like aftermarket fairings is. I've got a few zip ties holding some stuff on because like this thing, I put this plastic, I don't know what you call these things, these like little plastic plug bolt things, and it didn't go all the way through, so that part's kind of loose. I need to fix that, probably zip tie it, but it'll be fine. Pretty much, if you buy one of these, you're assembling it yourself on your motorcycle, expect to use a few zip ties. Yeah, I'm gonna do some wheelies. Wish my buddy was around so he could get a video of me doing some rollers. Alright, first wheelie on the new fairings. It's nice out today. It's probably like 80 right now, but the wind is kind of cool. The wind is very chilly. It feels really good riding around. I'm gonna do a couple more and then we'll go ride someplace. Might ride towards the city more. See if we get anybody to check out our motorcycle. Check out our brand new fairings. That was a bump. Oh, the seat cowl, it hurts for knee knockers now. It's just hard plastic. Your shin's not resting on my shin's not resting on a plush rear seat. Maybe I'll have to put that rear seat back on then. Well, dang. That was pretty slow. Slowed down to 25 miles an hour. Alright, we're gonna skedaddle. But yeah, dudes, hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think about this color, about the new fairings. I kept the black ones just in case. I really hated these ones. I can always put the black ones back on. Let me know. Are they yay or nay? I really like, there's like stickers and stuff. I mean, there's like Bridgestone stickers. I'm not really sure what the other ones are. I think there might be like a Gear brand FRTR. I don't know what that is. Moto House 27. I have no idea. It's cool though. It looks like race fairings, which is cool. Like I said though, kind of flashy. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Love you dudes. Later. Oh yeah, in case you guys were wondering or asking, I did not film me putting these new fairings on, because it would have just been even more difficulty trying to film it all and trying to figure out how everything gets back on. I did take some pictures though of me taking the fairings off, and before and after pictures. You can check those out on my Instagram at Barney Rides.